Probably the most important button in your card is the attachment button. As soon as you click it, you can choose one of the different options proposed. You can attach something from your device or computer, from another Trello board, from your Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. Otherwise, you can attach something from the internet by simply using the Attach a Link option. Let's do it together. Navigate your browser in search of images. We are searching for a picture of a parrot. In Google, you have to select Images and then in the options select Tool, then Usage Right, and then labeled for reuse to find images whom copyright allows the picture to be reused. Choose now the picture you want to use in your Trello card. Right-click over it and select the View Image. The image will open in a new window. In this window, there won't be anything else other than the image. Copy the URL address of the image. Now go back to your Trello and attach the URL address of your image in the space below Attach a Link. Now give a name to your link, so later you will be able to easily identify what it is. And then click the Attach button. Because our link is an image, our image will be used as a cover of our card. If we exit the Edit Card menu and we go back to our Trello board, we can see that our card now has a different look. If you click again over the card, you can now go back to editing or adding content to it. For example, with the same process, you can add a link to a YouTube video.